Hi, I'm Sallieann Harrison and this is a binding tutorial on double fold French binding, but actually using two colours. Here's a sample of what it's going to look like. So it's your usual double fold binding, but it's got two colours in, which gives it a slight accent around the edge. This is a slightly bigger sample than we're going to make. We're not going to make it quite as wide as this one. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the back. So what you're going to need to do now is actually turn it over to the front. Now, the next stage, what I would do is I'd take a coordinating thread or perhaps a clear thread, and I would do this entirely on the machine. So I'm using a cream thread.